little MIA for the past couple weeks. It's been a very, very busy time at work. So let's get back into the groove of every Friday morning at 10 a.m. So let the voiceover play.
Okay, so we are going to be creating a half-orc race from Dungeons and Dragons, and that means we gotta get pretty and then we gotta get ugly. So let's get started. Wig cap 1. Oh, there's your hair. Okay, wig cap 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. There we go. That works. So we're going to be going in with the green Mehron Paradise water-based paint, and we're going to be covering our face, chest, and arms, all in green. Yes! Okay, now that I look like a green screen, let's keep going. Alright, and I'm going to be painting my elf ears from the beginning of this series green, and we're going to start with our highlights. So I'm taking the Morphe white concealer and putting that everywhere that I put my normal concealer whenever I'm not green. And that way I can bring out those highlighted parts of my face so it doesn't look so dull and flat. And with this, I'm just going to use a damp beauty sponge and blend that in. And then after the concealer, I'm going to go in with a translucent powder and put that everywhere. So that way the paint is not sticky to the touch and it doesn't come off on anything else, but it stays put. Alright, now I'm going to take the James Charles Morphe palette and use the black and brown shades for the rest of this look. Pretty easy. So first I'm going to take the black and start contouring out my cheeks and really start working around my nose area. So I went really light-handed on the black, and I mixed in a little bit of the green that's in that palette too. And I'm going to start deepening up my brow bone because half orcs have really pronounced brows and the brow bone around their nose. So I kind of wanted to pull mine out by deepening up around where my eye sockets start to meet my eyebrows. And I'm also going to start contouring out my chest. And this looks kind of strange because I'm used to painting, clothing and stuff on me, but I'm actually going to put like real clothes on and not paint it on tonight. So I just needed to contour out and make myself look a little bit more muscular like half orcs are. Yes, Hulk out. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Tarte Pro Glow palette and use that top bright shade. And go in with my finger and just highlight the parts of my face that I normally highlight. And then I'm going to go in with the black and start to smoke out my eyes. So this took me a little while just because it's hard to blend on paint sometimes. But I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo eyeliner in black and align my bottom lash line. And then I'm also going to go in on the sides of my eyes just to deepen up that black so the shadow can be very, very pigmented and stay where it's at. So now I'm going to take a eyebrow pencil and mark out where my orc teeth are going to be. And I'm going to use the Mehron White Paradise paint palette and go in to start painting my pearly white orc teeth. And then after I start painting them, something that looks so cool, I'm going to start to shade. So I'm taking that brown shade with a very thin tipped pencil brush and just start shading around my teeth to make it look like they're standing off of my skin a little bit and creating a shadow. Alright, focus please. I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in Gunmetal and putting that on my lips. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Epic Liner Pencil and outline my teeth and then extend my lower lip line to make it look like the teeth are coming out of my mouth. I need my lips to be a little longer on the bottom. Alright, now we're going to go in with the black eyeshadow from the James Charles palette and fill in my brows. And then I'm going to go and get the rest of my costume and wig on so I can finish the look. So, there we go. Now I'm going to use the black Mehron Paradise paint and a very teeny tiny brush and start creating my tears / war paint, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I actually got this, the tear idea from Mikey from Glam & Gord's Death Stranding makeup tutorial that she did a few years ago. And I just kind of recreated where she kind of had her lines running on her face because I really liked the abstractness of that look. It was awesome. Alright, and then once that's done, you look like you've been in a lot of battles, like you've fought a lot of guys, or like you've just been crying a lot. So, whichever way you want to look at it. Alright, so now I'm going to go finish up and I'll be right back.
Makeup tutorial from Dungeons and Dragons. Yes, my hands are not green. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm sorry for being so behind in my video making skills for the past couple weeks, but I am back on it. And if you want to see another Dungeons and Dragons creation next week, make sure and again hit that subscribe button, like this video, and go follow me on all social media platforms. And I will see you guys next Friday at 10 a.m. Bye.